Hi, today we are going to talk about the Stampin' Cut and Emboss mini machine. Your mini machine will arrive nicely packaged with your handle attached. So your machine is ready to use right out of the box with no assembly required. Your machine will come with multiple plates to get started. The two clear mini cutting plates, the mini base plate, the standard embossing folder plate, and the 3D embossing folder plate. We will talk more about these in another video. The machine has a beautiful white finish made of high quality materials, almost like your big machine. You will notice that the machine is almost an exact replica of our large machine, but mini. This makes it easy to carry around with you and use just about anywhere. When you are ready to use your machine, simply fold out the platforms. Now you will hear a click when you do this to ensure a solid platform to work on. Your machine also has rubber feet on the bottom to help keep it in place. This little guy is seriously awesome. It is sturdy and feels great when you are using it. Our handle design and tension inside the machine allows for a smooth and easy turn experience every time. Most of our dies already work in this machine, and some embossing folders too. We are making it easy for you by marking what works with the mini machine in our catalogs. When you're done, you can fold up the platforms, creating an easy to store machine in any crafting space. Thank you for watching and enjoy your Stampin' Cut and Emboss mini machine.